Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today we will present about case study 2, and our topic in case study 2 is Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud EC2. So my name is Shafizatul Aida Binti Zuffi, and my partner is Siti Aminah Binti Kifli. So the first thing that you must know in this topic is what is Amazon EC2 service. Amazon EC2 service is a cloud computing service that offers secure and scalable compute power. Also, cloud computing service that provide safe, reliable computation capacity. The next one is allow you to quickly obtain and configure capacity. Give you complete control over your computing resource and allow you to run on Amazon's tried and true computing infrastructure. And the last one is Amazon EC2 is the most comprehensive computational platform available. Next thing that we must know also the feature of EC2. So we have 5 features. The first one is bare metal instance. The bare metal instance provide your apps direct access to the underlying servers, processor and memory. The second feature is pause and resume your instance. That means while your instance is hibernated, you will not be charged for its consumption. The normal EBS rates apply to store. The third one is paying for what you use. This is because at the end of each month you will be charged for the EC2 resource you really use. Example, like you have used your instance and also launch your instance. So the fourth one is elastic IP address. An elastic IP address is linked to your account rather than a specific instance, and you have ownership over it until you want to release it. And the last one is multiply location. Amazon EC2 allows you to create instances in multiple locations. Regions and availability zones make up Amazon EC2 location. Okay, this is types of storage provided by AWS. The first one is Amazon S3 and the second one is Block Store EBS. Actually, we have 4 mainly types of storage provided by AWS, which is EBS, EC2 Instance Store, Amazon S3, and the last one is adding storage. But here we will show you the 2 of the mainly type. For the first one is Amazon S3. Amazon S3 provides object storage through a web service interface. Amazon S3 also use the same scalable storage infrastructure that Amazon.com used to run its global e-commerce network. Amazon S3 also can be employed to store any type of object, which allows for use like storage for internet applications, backup and recovery, disaster recovery, data archive, data lakes for analytics, and hybrid cloud storage. That's for Amazon S3. For the second one is Elastic Block Store. The short form is EBS. So EBS offer a variety of storage performance and cost options. These alternatives are grouped into 2 groups: SSD-based storage for transactional workload like database and boot volume. That means where performance is mostly determined by IOPS. And and this bag storage for throughput intensive applications. That's some information or explanation of EBS. For S3, Amazon S3 have also offer for different storage class, then offer different level of durability, availability and performance requirement. The first one is default. The default class is Amazon S3 standard. Second is Amazon S3 standard access is IA. The third one is Amazon S3 one zone infrequent access, and the last one is Amazon Glacier. There is 4 of different storage class of Amazon S3.
So this is region and availability zone. First, resources are housed in high availability data centers. These data center facilities are placed in several physical locations to provide greater scalability and reliability. Regions and availability zone are used to categorize test areas. Number 2, regions are being distributed across a geographic area. Availability zone are discrete areas within an AWS region that are designed to be separate from failures in other zones. Number 3, the effects of the catastrophic failure, such as a power outage within an availability zone, can be mitigated by distributing your memcache nodes across various availability zones within a region. And the next is launch an Amazon EC2 instance with a choice in processor, storage, networking, operating system and buying model. Amazon EC2 is the most comprehensive computational platform available. We have the fastest processor in the cloud and are the only cloud with Ethernet networking speed of 400 Gbps. We have the most powerful CPU instance in the market for machine learning, training, and graphic applications, as well as the cheapest cost per inference instance. And this is how to create security group in EC2. First, open the Amazon VPC console and at the navigation pane, choose security group and then choose create security group. Enter the name for the security group. From VPC, select the ID of your VPC, optional, add or remove a tag, add a tag, choose add new tag and do the following. For key, enter the key name, and for the value, enter the key value. For remove tag, choose remove to the right of the tag key and value, and then choose create, and your security group have been created. Okay, thank you, that's all.